It's NAB 2024, and we're here in South Lower on the Matrox stand, speaking to Paul from GlobalM. Hi, Paul. How are you doing?
How you doing?
Been a good show so far?
Very good show. A lot of interest.
Great. So you're going to tell us a little bit, hopefully, about your new SDVN developments in that.
Correct. Yeah. So
line?
we've got a software-defined video network
Yep.
that we've developed that supports SRT, RIST, and RTMP, and other protocols are being added. It's designed to scale, which is really important, and a big differentiator between us and other types of gateways, where it can scale in real time. So you can keep adding in additional rights holders or takers before and during the event without interrupting the input stream or having to restart anything or rebuild anything. And so the scalability of it is really important for things like distribution of live events, sports, news, things like that.
Yeah.
And our big release for NAB is that we've taken this from being a software as a service, and we've created an on-prem hybrid model using OpenStack as well as AWS. So we can support other types of clouds, virtualization on-prem, hybrid, anything that's supporting OpenStack, which is quite a lot of different data center providers.
Yeah, so true hybrid, really, I guess. And I guess, is that what forms most of the partnership? You know, you're on the Matrox stand, you're not Matrox. What does that partnership bring?
Well, we partner with Matrox on the Monarch Edge,
Okay.
which we'll look at soon. But with GlobalM, we can use any type of encoder that's supporting SRT or RIST as an input. And on the output, we can send to RTMP. So that could be YouTube or Darkcast or any kind of OVP that's supporting for OTT type of distribution as well.
And it's always nice to see, you know, these kind of developments coming out, responding to customers' challenges. What were the challenges that people were facing that you've solved here?
Interoperability at codec level.
Okay.
So you can take an SRT encoder and it is quite interoperable because everybody's using the same source code.
Yep.
Mostly. Some have rewritten it, but mostly. Okay. But still quite interoperable. Where it starts to become not interoperable is like one codec not supporting the same as the other codecs. So you've got like one encoder feeding for a distribution, and some encoders will require constant bitrate to decode. Some of them won't support 1080i, only 1080p. And so we've implemented using NVIDIA and as a software-based transcoder, each endpoint can be transcoded to a particular flavor. Or we can do remuxing as well. We can remux, we can do null packet insertion if it needs to be a constant bitrate. And that gives us 100% interoperability then between an encoder and multiple decoders in a distribution.
Brilliant. Yeah. You know, if people are at the show, they can come down to the Matrox stand and have a chat, see what kind of solutions you can provide them. If it's after the show and they're thinking, actually, I want to get in touch, where do we send them? The website?
GlobalM.media.
GlobalM.media.
Correct, yeah.
Thank you very much, Paul. Great to see you.
Thanks a lot.
We're going to do another video here on the Matrox stand, so keep an eye out for that. And for everything else that we're doing at NAB 2024, it's kitplus.com.